Customs and Border Protection is facing a lawsuit claiming they've denied immigrants in their custody access to legal counsel and decent conditions. CBS 4's Sandra Garcia joins us in the newsroom with what the department is facing. Sandra.
The lawsuit calls for a checks and balances system outside of CBP, hoping to hold them accountable for the way they're treating undocumented immigrants.
They are held basically incommunicado. They have absolutely no access to families or to attorneys.
A federal judge could decide whether or not Customs and Border Protection has to change the way it operates.
These facilities are supposed to be very short stints. The standards that CBP has on its own state that people should be there for 72 hours. But what we're seeing is that some of these people have been held for up to 55 days.
The Texas Civil Rights Project is just one organization suing the agency. A temporary injunction was filed Monday in Brownsville on behalf of detainees who say they were held for weeks without being able to call their family or a lawyer.
There are very few, if any, procedural safeguards really to dictate the way in which these people are held other than internal CBP policies.
We reached out to Customs and Border Protection, but were told that they cannot comment on matters pending litigation as a matter of policy.
There needs to be some external oversight, and right now there is none.
The lawsuit claims that without an appropriate checks and balances system, immigrants within these processing centers will continue to be denied their rights.
One of the main problems right now is that all of this is being exacerbated by the fact that CBP is holding these people for really long periods of time.
And Vargas says she hopes that that won't be the case for much longer.
There needs to be some law or some regulation that requires that CBP treat people in a humane way, that they give them access to counsel, that they can make a phone call to a family member just to let them know that they're okay or where they are.
Now, the process is ongoing, but there is a hearing scheduled for September 5th. In the newsroom with complete Valley coverage, Sandra Garcia, CBS 4 Valley Tonight.